Attention to this bizarre incident that's come to light from Thane. In fact, where a man got a call from the civic officials informing him about his death and asked him to collect the death certificate. However, while the victim declared that he is alive, the officials were surprised and summoned him to the office. In fact, Thane civic officials told the man that they got his name from a list that was provided by the ICMR. Those are the details here. Listen in.
कल अचानक थाने महानगर पालिका से 12:30 बजे फ़ोन आया और मुझे पूछा गया कि आपका नाम चंद्रशेखर देसाई है। तो मैं बोला कि हाँ। उसके बाद उन्होंने बताया कि आपका एड्रेस हिलक्रिस्ट मानपाड़ा ये बराबर है क्या? तो मैं बोला कि हाँ बराबर है। तो उन्होंने कहा कि आपकी डेथ हो गई है और आप आइए डेथ सर्टिफिकेट लेने के लिए, कोविड वार रूम है। तो वहाँ पर गया। वहाँ पर एक डॉक्टर मैडम थी। उनके पास जाने के बाद उन्होंने बताया कि हमारा गलती नहीं है, ये ICMR का गलती है।
Mayuresh joining us for more details here. Mayuresh, what can you tell us? This obviously is a bizarre incident that's come to light where this man who's obviously alive and kicking at this point in time received a death certificate.
Absolutely, it's a shocking incident which has come in light from Thane city, where a 54-year-old Chandrasekhar Desai, who's a teacher, he got a call saying that you are dead and you have to come to collect. You have to come to the Thane headquarters, corporation headquarters, to collect your death certificate. He was explaining them that you're speaking with me, I'm alive. And that time, when he asked that, how is it possible? Because I was COVID positive in last August, and how come I'm still on your list? The explanation which we got it from the Thane Corporation that first of all the list was not prepared by them. They do agree and do accept basically that it was a technical mistake, and before calling people they should have checked, they should have verified that list. But now you can imagine the shock which he and his family must have got after getting that call from the Thane Corporation. Back to you.
Yes, absolutely, Mayuresh. Those, of course, are the details. But Mayuresh, any reply from the civic body about what happened, what went wrong, and how did this death certificate actually, happen?
Absolutely. When we contacted Thane Corporation, Sandeep Malvi, who is the additional commissioner, he said that we didn't prepare this list. We get this list from the Pune office, which is the ICMR regional office in Maharashtra. And after we get this list, we start making calls. It is a follow-up thing. Post-COVID, we do call all the COVID positive who recovered, whether they were in home quarantine or in a hospital, to check their health and also to check their family members' health. And his name must have been in that list. That's why he got the call from our side. But he said from today onwards, we have given clear instructions. When we receive the list from the ICMR, we will check that list, we'll verify it, and then only we will call.